Signs your cat has fleas. Number 1. Constant scratching or biting. Fleas can cause itching and discomfort, leading to excessive scratching. Number 2. Hot spots or hair loss. Constant scratching or biting can lead to the development of areas of irritated, red skin. Number 3. Presence of fleas or flea dirt. You may see small black specks that turn red when wet on your cat's skin or coat. Number 4. Anemia. In extreme cases, flea infestations can lead to blood loss, especially in young cats. Number 5. Allergic dermatitis. Cats with fleas will have red, itchy, and irritated skin.